Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now by unplugging the fridge and removing food so you can work safely. Once unplugged, test the outlet with a multimeter to confirm power is truly off. Inspect door seals and condenser coils visually. Dirt or gaps reduce cooling dramatically. Take a temperature reading inside. Note if it's above target. Next, remove the kickplate to access condensers and compressor area, and make sure you have a camera or phone for reference photos as you disassemble panels. Once done with initial checks, clean coils and fan thoroughly. This restores airflow and often fixes many issues. Test the start relay and run capacitor at the compressor using resistance and continuity checks. Replace any components outside spec. Inspect the evaporator coil. If frosted over, initiate manual defrost, then test the defrost heater and timer. Make sure to document each measurement and swap only one part at a time so you can confirm which repair corrected the problem before reassembling panels and restoring power. After replacing parts and reassembling, plug the fridge in and monitor temperature for up to 24 hours. Make sure the refrigerator stabilizes around 37 degrees to 40 degrees F, and the freezer reaches appropriate temperature. Check door seals again under light pressure and listen for abnormal vibrations. Loose mounting or motor failure can cause noise. If cooling still fails, recheck wiring connections and the control board for burn marks. If you reach a dead end, contact a certified appliance technician and describe your tests and measurements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.